Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 taskbar notification icons not hidden. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all right click and go to your task manager. So open a task manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer, select it and click on restart. After doing this step, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select the Edge key current user and expand it. After that, select the software and expand it. After that, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this task, go down and find out a Windows and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it. After doing this task, go down and find out a policies. Now here is a policies. Select it and expand it. After that, select the Explorer and delete any entry like no auto train notify. Right click, delete it. After doing this step, close the registry editor and after that restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.